week I am testing the Audi A3 Sedan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule.
Now, on the exterior, the looks have not been revolutionised. They've just been nicely modernised in that kind of classic Audi way. The boot door of the Audi A3 opens really nice and easily at the touch of a button, and it's really nice and quiet. Let's find out how the Thule prams fit in the boot.
The boot of the Audi A3 Sedan will hold 13 shopping bags. Or the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Audi A3 Sedan with 5 shopping bags. The Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 5 shopping bags. And the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Audi A3 Sedan side by side but with no shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 1 shopping bag. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 Double Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels off fits easily in the boot with no shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring Lightweight and One-Handed Folding Stroller fits in the boot of the Audi A3 Sedan with 6 shopping bags. Or you can fit a 90 litre and 2 40 litre Thule Chasm duffel bags in the boot. You can't put a dog in the boot because it's got a fixed parcel shelf.
The interior of the front of the Audi A3 is really nice and sleek and simple. It feels very clean and minimal. When it comes to storage, there are 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a wireless phone charging pad with 2 USB-C sockets, and behind them there's a very small central console space. The glove box is quite small in here. I could just fit my iPad or wallet in there with the manual. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad or wallet fit in them too. The media system in the Audi A3 Sedan is really nice and simple and easy to navigate. It's got some lovely features in there, like the calendar, the weather, the news and things like that. Now, you can go in and change a lot of your settings. If you go into the car here, there's lots of things in your driver assist and things like that you can change and personalise for how you would like to have them. You've also got built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily access your phone and apps and things while driving. And you've got sat-nav as well. Now, you do have climate controls within the media screen, and you also have them down on the dash here, which is really nice and easy to use them while you're driving along. Now, when you put it into reverse, camera images are really lovely and clear. You can turn the parking sensors on and off easily on the screen here, and the cameras as well. The Audi A3 Sedan has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 81% for child occupancy and 89% for adult occupancy. It also has 7 airbags as standard, including side curtain airbags for the rear passengers. Now, second row passengers are kept nice and comfortable with aircon vents in the back of the central console box, and there are USB-C sockets there too, so they can charge devices. There's also handles above both rear doors, so you can hang little toys to entertain rear-facing passengers while you're driving along, and there are lights in the back in the central ceiling. Storage in the back of the Audi A3 is quite minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a kid's drink cup fits in them too. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins in the back are quite small. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and a wallet or something will fit in there too. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Audi A3, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They are within lovely plastic guides with special little covers that just retract back so you can access those Isofix and connect to them really nice and easily. There are top tether anchorages for all three rear seats, and they are in the parcel shelf behind the headrests. So we could fit two child seats in the back of the Audi A3. Three would not fit across, just because of the shape of the roofline and because the seats just aren't wide enough to fit three across. But having the top tether anchorages for all three seats, it does give you that flexibility of popping just one child seat in the middle or two in the outer seats. Legroom is pretty tight in here with rear-facing child seats. We found that with a rear-facing child seat installed, only about a 170 centimetre driver can fit in front, or with forward-facing child seats, then a 180 centimetre driver could fit in front. Now, the footwell is not flat in the back here. There is a large hump in the central seat footwell, so any passenger sitting there will have to straddle that with their feet. The Audi A3 is a really nice car to drive. I really enjoy driving sedans, and this one is no exception. It feels really nice and grounded to the road. It's quite sporty and reactive as well. So it corners really well, and it's just really, really enjoyable. It's really nice and smooth and quiet too. Now, visibility is very good in here. The two child seats installed, I can see straight out the back there, and parking and manoeuvring is absolutely no problem in any car park in this car. It's a really nice size. So to sum up with the Audi A3 sedan, it makes it a lovely baby drive. I really, really enjoy driving sedans, especially this one. So for those that enjoy that sedan style driving, then it makes a great family car. Now, one consideration obviously is that low roof line. So you've got to make sure you're careful not to hit your head while you're strapping your kids in. You can fit those two child seats in the back nicely with good leg room if they're forward facing. The boot space is really good on sedans, especially this one, and you can fit all that range of taller prams in the boot nice and easily, making it practical for family life. The media system is very good and the cameras are too.